All right, so if we have this view here and I've got it twisted, you can see it's not straight and the part's up and down like that. So in my drawings, all my pieces are twisted because they're relating back to that original settings. If I double click on them, I can't change it, right? So one option is make it be flat, and then it's okay. Another way is we can do that look at view. Remember this I say that I never like to use, except it's to check things. This is the time to use it. I can look at that thing, so it turns it so that's flat. And now there's this folder called name views that we haven't talked about yet. And so like you can use these for whatever views, isometric or some weird angle. But if I go in here and I just right click and say new name view, I'm gonna call this good. That's my good front view, right? My aligned view of that. And so now when I save it, I go back to this page, update it, nothing happens. It's still meh. But if I double click on this view here, my parent view, and now I tell that to be good, right? Now it's back together. This one now is tweaked, but I can tell this one to go back to being, so like, now I can just, delete that and reproject it from here. And now I've got that good view. Oh. Yes, I did. So that's a way to get a better view of each thing. So like if I go to that bar, wherever it is.
Hope you get all the other icons.
So all these pieces are kind of weird now. But so the spacer bar, because it was what I had grounded at the beginning, it's still in the correct orientation. And so I don't need to adjust it because it was already okay. So you only need to do that on things that actually did rotate if you want to do that. Or you can just draw it and leave it square, right? And just go back. Do it like that, and then you don't have to worry about it. So 2 options, they're both okay.